Okay, quick overview of what we just talked about as far as testing a printer. Of course, you have to have a power supply in order to set up a test. Typically we're doing depot type service, so I carry a power supply. I've had this one for years because you're working on 4 or 5 machines at a time, sometimes 10, 15. So you bring your own power supply, and hopefully they have some paper laying around and ribbons, because of course you need that to test the machine. I put paper in this machine, and you can demonstrate that real quickly. Like I said, this machine, when you power it off, power it back on, it will cycle around till the print head finds the home position. That allows me to put the ribbon in, and then I need to make sure I have a nice little straight line for the paper. And then I drop it in the bottom. There is a low paper sensor here, so you have to make sure it's flat. I line it up in the hole. I press the button in the front here, paper load. Sometimes it doesn't always work. You can use the green lever and take the paper back out, give yourself another chance. This one is currently ready to go. And again, we will go back over the 3 self-tests that you must do in order to test the machine out. So power is off. If I want to test just the dot matrix printer itself, the journal printer, hold down the paper feed, turn the power on. Now it's going to self-test. It gives me some information about the interface. I press the paper feed button again because it tells me to do that, and now it runs the character set, including Japanese characters if I let it run far enough. And we'll do that. This tells me whether the ribbon cable's working, the print head's working, lots of different things. Paper advance. Be patient here. We're done, and it says complete. Okay. Now, in order to test the validation slip, I want to turn the machine off. I'm holding down both keys, paper feed and release. The beautiful thing about these self-tests is you can't default this printer or anything like that and really hose up some sort of software interface. Notice the validation slip light is blinking, and I have a nice straight piece of paper, and I stick the paper in, and it will lift the slip. It's actually printing something on here. This is a receipt for the customers, and you can actually test this over and over, and it will cycle around and eventually stop. Not to bore you with that too much. That's the second test. The third test is the envelope address printing and cashier's check, etc. That is the release key. Hold that down, turn the machine on, and now the machine is ready to take a document from the bottom, and you slide that in. You notice the light goes steady when the document is found. We'll do that one more time. Light is blinking, ready for the test. Document goes in, light stops. Okay, that is a self-test for an Epson TM-U375. Thank you.